For our final vacation this summer, we went to Corfu, an island in Greece.
We got in at night and struggled to find a taxi. Also, everything was in Greek.
The next morning, we took the bus to a local marina where we got a boat tour. The marina was in the town of Gouvia, and we went out with Demes from Balos Yachts.
There were hundreds of boats here, and some looked really fast. There were also some massive yachts.
This one has to be worth tens of millions of dollars, and we learned that this one has a $1 million paint job.
Anyways, we had a private boat tour and got to see Corfu from the water.
We also got a chance to snorkel in this super clear water. Luckily, we brought our snorkeling masks. The water was also very salty, so it was super easy to float.
On the topic of water, tap water is undrinkable, but bottled water is pretty cheap. The views were so beautiful.
After the boat trip, we got dinner at a place called Barbecue Art. It was really good.
It was so good, we went back again. I highly recommend it.
The next day, we went to a beach, and there was also a tubing place.
We got hooked up and we're off.
This was actually our second time tubing here, so the driver knew he could make some huge jumps for us.
Unfortunately, this is the end of this video, but stay tuned for part 2.